Once a course has been more or less developed, or there has been structure added to it through modules or assignments, we can finally set up the home page. So from Pages, let's create a page, we'll name it Home, and edit this page, launch the design tools, and expand themes, and themes specific to the front or home page can be selected through Front. Different themes can be looked at and changed at any time. Now we can edit the title of the course, and we can add different navigation items, and that is done through expanding navigation items. We can reorder these by dragging and dropping them, and we can remove them. For instance, let's remove the start here. We can add navigation elements. So I have a new element. And we can create links to the content using the Canvas tools. Another option here is to change the image. So I'll switch over to the template wizard. Here there's an option for images. And this provides optimized images specifically for the home page. Choose a file that we have on our computer, and now I'm going to select the theme that I'm using for the course. And it will provide the aspect ratio that we need that image to be to show up properly on the home page. I'm going to give it a name. We're going to add that image. What the tool did, it created a folder called Images, and within Images, it just added that home page banner. Now let's go back to our home page. We're going to click on the image that's in there. Using the Rich Text Editor Embed Image option, click on there, go to the Canvas course, and there's our Images folder, and there's the image that is now optimized for the home page. Update, and there we have it. So let's go ahead and preview our home page and see how it looks. We'll go ahead and save it. So now we have our course title, we have a link to the syllabus, a link to the modules list, a More Resources which was added. So I'm going to remove the More Resources and Extra Credit. And then what I would like to do is add a link to all of the modules. So right now we have these different modules that are currently available in the course. And I want to have those modules available from the home page. Edit this page once again, launch the design tools, and now what I would like to do is I'm going to get rid of these two navigation elements, the More and Extra Credit. So go to Navigation Items, Extra Credit, remove that one, and More Resources, remove that one. Okay, so I have these two, but what I would like to do is now add a list of all the modules that are currently available in the course, so that when students come into the homepage, they can see a list of all the information that they need to. So I'll expand out the module list and insert module details. What that will do is go into the modules and pull out the module titles and provide links to the modules list. We can link it to the modules page, which if we were to click on any one of these, it would go to the list of modules, or we can link to the first module item. And then we can also identify which module is active by weeks. And by doing that, we can just show dates, and we will identify the start and end date for a given week. Let's just say this course starts on Sunday, May 3rd, and it ends at the end of that week, which would be Saturday, May 9th. And what the tool did is it then by default, it went through and followed that pattern. And we may have a week that we have an off week or something different, and you can just go ahead and modify that and save this homepage, and let's see how it looks. So what we have here is our course title. We have the two links automatically identified the week 3. If I go ahead and click on that week 3, it will automatically jump to the wiki page that is the first item in the week 3 module. The one last thing that we need to do is we need to set homepage as the actual home page. So we'll go ahead and click on home, and we're going to choose a home page. Click choose and pages and save. So here's our home page. We have a link to the syllabus, to the modules, and to each of the individual modules. If you want to do additional formatting on the home page, go ahead and edit, launch the design tools. Additional sections can be added for the front page, such as image attribution, contact footer. Right, there we have it. Now this is a way to edit the course homepage.